Hi everyone. For your synchronous task tomorrow, I would like you to take your poems that you're working on Monday, and I want you to upgrade them a little bit. I've spoken to individual students about how we can use words, better words, to express what we want to express. And there's a great way to do this. You go to a site called thesaurus.com. You see thesaurus.com. Okay, and you type in the word that you think is a little bit flat, a little bit unimaginative, uncreative. So I'm going to a poem. This is a poem that one of my students wrote in past years. So the student has written, "The world would be a better place if we learned from the trees, if we could rise, reach for the sun, and stand tall like a mountain." Okay, so maybe no one would ever let anyone else down. Okay, to let someone down, maybe there's a better way to say let someone down. So let's write down let down, okay, in the site. And here we've got some beautiful words here. Abandon, disillusion, dissatisfy, leave in lurch, leave stranded. So maybe we want to say no one would ever leave anyone stranded. Okay, this is a synonym. It means it's a word with a very similar meaning to let down. Okay, so here's one, and I'm going to make it yellow so you can see that I've changed it. Okay, we would be generous to each other and give our piece to the world. The word give is a very basic word. So let's go to thesaurus.com again. Let's see if we can find anything that sounds better than give. We've got allow, accord, award, commit, provide, sell, furnish, entrust. Okay, so you obviously have to take a word that you recognize. Okay, I don't know if I can find anything here that really works with give, but it's a good example of how you can start to look at language in a different way. So what I want you to do tomorrow is to take your poems and find 4 words. It could even be more than that. If you get into it, you could even do 6 words. 4 to 6 words that you say, I could do better than this. I could think of a better word. Especially words like good, pretty, bad. Words that are very, very basic, that are used all the time. And we try and find something which is a bit better. Here, I'm going to give you one more example. There's a word here, build. Okay, so we'll go to synonym.com. Let's see if we can find a better word than to build. Okay, assemble, erect, form, reconstruct. We could reconstruct worlds. We could set up worlds. Okay, and the other thing you want to do is you want to look for words that you repeat a lot. If you've got a word that you keep repeating, so it's a very good idea to take a synonym and use another word which has the same or very similar meaning. So that is what I want you to work on tomorrow. And then when you've finished your poem and you're happy with it, you are going to put it up on the Flipgrid. There is a link to the site, and you're going to read the poem aloud, looking into the camera, and sharing your poem with me. Good luck. Bye.